Yeah, we are here at the Convent Baptist Church with Mr. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Richard Cox, and I proudly serve as a member of the Convent Avenue Baptist Church, but I also serve as a founder of the UMOJA ministry. We take care of international visitation as well as foreign mission for the Convent Avenue Baptist Church. We are do it independently through our lot carry partnerships and also through the American Red Cross.
Okay, so what is happening here today?
So today, every year, our church does a launch Sunday, which means that the church basically opens up its doors to the community to get people in the community and with people who are also part of the church to see all the different ministry. The great thing about us being here Launch Sunday is that next Sunday is our International Day.
Okay.
And we collaborate that with the United Nations, where a lot of the delegates and the consulates, they come and they visit our church next Sunday. And the highlight of this event is our international food tasting.
Oh, what is this?
Where we have 47 different nationalities or countries represented in our congregation, and most of them bring a dish from their foreign country, from their nationality, and we all eat together next Sunday. And it's a tasting. It's a tasting.
It's a tasting.
It's a
so
tasting.
People are not going to eat a lot, but just taste.
Enough for you to taste these international great meals.
Okay, so what do you need for your International Day?
Well, what do we need? Well, obviously we need people to eat. We need people to eat, but we also need people to donate dishes for us to for the congregation.
Okay.
And with the donations and for the people to eat, we make a great unity, and then it has a great focus for us for next Sunday.
Okay, so if I understood well, you are the founder of...
Yes, I am the founder of this ministry. I got the ideal while I was visiting France several years ago, and I was visiting a church that I still attend in France.
Vous parlez français alors?
Oui.
Très bien, très bien.
Yeah, très bien.
So you were visiting?
Right, I was visiting a church, an église in Paris.
Okay.
It's the Église Emmanuel Baptist. It's in Raoult-Malmaison. I was visiting them, and I saw how they treated me. They treated me with such kindness and such greatness that they said that, we would love for you to stay in contact with us. So when I left Paris and I came back to New York, I wanted my church to do the great things that church was doing.
Yeah.
And so now we're partner churches.
Great, great. And what is the name? Why did you choose the name UMOJA? Why?
Yeah, UMOJA is the Swahili word for unity, but we put a Latino version because it's really probably UMOJA.
Okay.
But we use Latino because we are in New York.
Of course.
So we say UMOJA.
UMOJA.
Yeah.
Okay.
But probably UMOJA. UMOJA for the Swahili term, which means unity.
So how people can reach you?
Right. They can easily reach us by going to the Convent Avenue website and looking for Project UMOJA or UMOJA ministry, or you can email us at Project UMOJA. That's PROJECTUMOJA@gmail.com.
Okay. Can you tell us your name again?
My name is Richard Cox, and I proudly serve as the founder of this great ministry.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Richard Cox, for your interview. Et donc la semaine prochaine, nous serons avec Richard Cox et toute l'équipe de UMOJA, donc au Convent Baptist Church. Donc nous vous attendons nombreux et venez goûter nos plats et à très bientôt. Au revoir, Richard.
Au revoir.
À bientôt.
À bientôt.